Welcome to Realm, man. We got 85 friends here, and a secret of the earth, and 48 manna from heaven. It's so peaceful. I'm just kidding. It's a hard-ass fucking Doom level. That's exactly what it is. Okay. Nice fountains. Alright, here's old Thud. And here's something to use him with. This is getting a little close for comfort. Bastard of a Baron. Oh well. Either we're dead or we're not dead. So, grab health. Grab ammo. Now this Hell Knight needs to die post-haste. It sounds like a chain gunner's trying to kill the other Hell Knight, which I'm totally happy with. So, one meatball dead. Oh yeah, that was... He only took one shot to die, which means that a chain gunner helped me out, so... Massive shout out to whatever particular chain gunner that is. Now, let's just clean up these flying idiots. Actually, let's grab that. And clean up the flying idiots. Oh, there's the other two. Break it up, you nimrods. I don't have all day. Ooh, there's a box of shells over there. Run! Alright, now I could grab the plasma gun, but it's kind of a waste against these revenants. Moving side to side as they do, they're kind of hard to hit. I found that some hit scan action definitely works a little more efficiently. If you don't shoot the wall in front of you. Hold still, you damnable thing. Oh, pro tip. If you're having trouble shooting revenants on the move, wait till they fire at you, because they'll pause for just a second. Alright, now... Shotgunners down below. Ooh, double kill! Awesome! So, now we got the plasma gun, but we're not going to put it into use just yet. We're going to save it for a nasty little ambush that's coming up. Alright. Make sure I've collected everything around here. Looks that way. Let's move on. That's what I wanted. I wanted the Mancubus to kill the shotgunner. And I got just what I wanted. I like how this song starts out so peaceful and tranquil. And then it breaks into this gnarly Black Sabbath sounding riff. Go. Old Thud saving my ass through this level. I'm kind of debating whether or not I want to do a little challenge video of this. try and beat this level the hard way, maybe. Just to see if it can be done. Well, I'm sure it can be done. What I'm trying to see is if I can do it. So, we recoup our health and armor a little bit in here. A whopping, very generous 6% armor. Okay, there's the Revenant. Don't need that yet. Alright, now we can come up here where we get our chain gun. Whew! That's a particularly nasty Revenant ambush. I mean, you have room to dodge, but there's just 6 of them right there in your face. 6 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. My bad. Okay, now imp time. Imp time sounds like it could be some kind of Doom-based phone app or something. Hey, call me on imp time later tonight. Yeah, I'll be on about 6 o'clock. I don't know. There's a joke in there somewhere. You guys figure it out. Okay. Looks like I've trapped the chain gunners. That's good. Still don't need shotgun shells. Maybe I'll regret that decision, but, you know, for now, let's just roll with it. Okay. This thing. This freaking thing. So, if this is the recording that makes it to YouTube, this is a recording attempt number probably 7 or 8. They've all ended right here. This is, as far as I can tell, as far as I can remember, this is the nastiest chain gunner trap I've ever faced. Let's kick this sucker off. Come on, die, you little fucker! Kill every one of you. Fucking eat rocket, you son of a bitch. Woo! No damage. I just realized no damage. That went really well. Alright. Slow motion moment. Or no, slow-mo replay, that's what we'll call it. Oh boy. Well, thank you, Cacodemon. You're a good Cacodemon. Well, he was a good Cacodemon. I shall name him Cecil. I always had this weird idea that all Cacodemons had names that started with C. Cecil, Clyde, Clifford, Cleophas. Try and get at least one of these killed. Give them a nice thorough shelling. Screw it. Up close and personal, huh? Yeah! Skaboom! Kaboom! Sweet. Alright. Now, I'm not gonna say to relax just yet. Unless I fuck up too awful bad. Hang on. I'll finish this thought in a moment. Let me concentrate. There we go. I was attempting to say, unless I fuck up too bad, I might be able to pull this off. Yeah, this is doable. Because I saved the Berserk. Yeah. Alright. Nothing left but this final bit of insanity. Okay. Let's hit the switch. Hide from the archvile and then make a run for it. Just start shelling the bastard. Nice. There's one half done. Let's go with the same program here. The vial died. Rocket chasing me? There's totally a rocket chasing me. Oh, boy, I did it. Right? 100 out of 100, 1 out of 1. Didn't get all the items, but, you know, UV max and all that shit. Woo! All in all, I like Realm. It's intense and there's no guarantee when you start that you're going to make it, but if you apply your skill, you'll get it eventually. Realm's fun. Anyways, what's next? Abattoir! This is one of the ones I've really been dreading. But, that's future Hair Monster's problem at this moment. Right now I'm gonna crack a brewski and celebrate beating Realm. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Hair Monster. Leave a comment if you want. Do the other things if you want. And until I see you again, I'll catch you on the flip side.